How's it going, everybody? In today's video, I'd like to show you how to install inflatable yard decorations so that never happens. Now let's undo it.
How to undo with Mike Montgomery at home.
Inflatable decorations are a great way to add some holiday cheer to your house. You really get a lot of bang for your buck. But out here in the Joshua Tree, California desert, I deal with a lot of high winds and hard ground. And that's why I'll be using these heavy-duty stakes that you can pick up from Home Depot to make sure my decorations stay in place. Before inflating, lay everything out and make sure that nothing's blocking your fan. After that, you can plug it in. Make sure and use an outdoor rated extension cord. It's working! Now we just need to secure it down. On one end of my string, I've got this plastic clip, and that's gonna slide right onto these hooks of the inflatable. And then we're gonna place our stake in a position to make sure that this string is at a 45-degree angle, and then we'll tie it down. The stakes I'm using here are the ones that came with my inflatable kit. But if you've got especially tough ground or some high winds to deal with, these heavy-duty metal spikes might be the best option for you. And I feel a lot better about that. Did you know you can also install an inflatable on your roof? Just make sure that the slope isn't too aggressive and you're always safe around ladders and your roof line. I am very excited for this one. Okay, come on. How awesome is this? The base for this inflatable had a few points that I could screw to the roof. And to make sure Santa doesn't blow away on me, I'm gonna tie it down with these anchoring points on the roof. I'll just screw these down with some exterior rated screws to make sure I've got a super secure hook everywhere that I would normally be using a stake. It's important to inflate your decorations in place because you don't want this to happen. What have I done? Got a tear in your inflatable? That's no big deal. I'm about to show you how to undo it. I'm making a patch out of a few strips of duct tape that I'm gonna fold and work into the tear. That way I can seal it from the inside. Next, I'll repeat those same steps and place a second patch on the outside of the inflatable. The good news is this doesn't have to be perfect, but try your best. Now, let's test it out. It's all right, buddy, I got you. Come on. I'll say that worked pretty well. Now, let's go stake it back down. Because it didn't want to stay up. Home Depot has a wide selection of holiday inflatables like this one, which hangs from the edge of a roof with a clip, just like Christmas lights. Just still be sure to tie everything down. So that's really all there is to it. I appreciate you all watching and I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, make sure and click that like and subscribe button down below. If you'd like to check out more episodes of How to Undo with me, Mike Montgomery, those are right here. And if you'd like to see more in-depth instruction from the Home Depot, you can click right here. We'll be sure to leave links to Homeowner 101 workshops by the Home Depot in the description. Happy holidays, everybody, and we will see you next time. Bye.